Ethan Carter's biggest battle wasn't with the world, it was with his own mind. He was once a hero on the football field, a rising star admired by everyone. Trophies, fame, respect, and financial freedom came early into his life. But with success, discipline slowly faded. Late nights, wrong company, and negative environments reshaped his thinking. What once felt like harmless fun quietly turned into habits, and those habits slowly became poison. His focus shattered, his mind grew restless, his thoughts became dark and uncontrollable. What once looked pure became distraction, and without realizing it, he lost control over his own mind. The boy who once trained harder than everyone else started avoiding practice. His performance dropped, his body weakened, and his mind stayed foggy and distracted. Every wrong choice pushed him further away from his purpose. The team that once celebrated him slowly lost trust in him, and one day the unthinkable happened. He was removed from the team. Fame disappeared. Identity disappeared. Confidence disappeared. All that remained was regret and emptiness. At his lowest point, Ethan chose help instead of hiding. He went to a wise doctor and told him everything. The thoughts, the habits, the distractions, the emptiness inside. The doctor listened calmly and said, "If you truly want to change your life, you must change your environment, your routine, and your mind. Leave negative people. Cut negative activities. Return to discipline. And reconnect with what once gave your life meaning." Those words hit his heart. He remembered football, the passion that once shaped his identity. That day, Ethan made a promise to himself. He walked away from toxic people, broke destructive habits, changed his routine, and returned to training. Day by day, discipline replaced distraction, focus replaced chaos, and purpose replaced emptiness. His mind became clearer, his body became stronger, and his thoughts became cleaner. Slowly, the same doors that once closed began to open again. Time passed, and hard work spoke louder than his past. One day, he returned, not just to the team, but to himself. Not as a broken boy, but as a disciplined man, stronger than before, mentally, physically, and emotionally. His comeback wasn't just in football, it was in life. Your past does not define you. Your thoughts can be trained. Your mind can be healed. Your life can be rebuilt. Change your routine, change your circle, change your habits, and your future will change automatically. If this story moved you, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe for real stories that rebuild minds. Like if you believe in second chances, and share this with someone who's silently struggling.